case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A maze of litigation unfolded when Janney Montgomery Scott, Inc. sued Shepard Niles, Inc. over a contractual dispute. The case revolved around one pertinent question. Was the third party, the Underwood Group, limited necessary for a fair and balanced legal action? It was a question the United States Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit considered in 1993. After alleged breach of contract, Janney sought compensation from Shepard Niles. To bolster their case, Janney desired contract to be interpreted as imposing joint and several liability on Shepard Niles and the Underwood Group. However, it was intertwined with a separate federal lawsuit Janney had lodged against Unibank for their alleged interference with the same contract. When Janney attempted to add Shepard Niles as a defendant in the Unibank case, the district court declined this action on the grounds that Underwood had not been joined. Janney didn't take the district court's ruling lightly and appealed the decision. They disagreed with the court's assertion that Underwood was a necessary party in the case against Shepard Niles under Rule 19, a regulation defining who needs to be included in a lawsuit. This appeal pivoted the case to examination of whether absence of Underwood, a co-obliger, would indeed subject Shepard Niles to inconsistent obligations or double liability. The Court of Appeals dived deep, examining whether Underwood's absence made them indispensable or merely necessary. They dissected both Rule 19, which governs the necessary joinder of parties, and Rule 14 that discusses impleader, one party bringing in a third into the litigation. The court decided in favor of Janney, ultimately contesting the district court's insistence on Underwood's inclusion. Paving the way for further proceedings, the court ended with the conviction that Underwood's absence did not pose any risk of contradictory obligations or dual responsibility for Shepard Niles. This decision resonated with legal precedents and solidified the court's interpretation of Rule 19's boundaries regarding the necessity and indispensability of parties.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.